Happy Saturday, everyone. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. My name is Jeff Jones, and I am from the BOXXmen.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are the BOXXmen.com. And in this video, I was asked, what is the easiest way to connect your Bluetooth remote to any one of your Formuler devices? I'm going to jump right into the video. But before that, since it's going to be very short today, I want to thank everyone for tuning in. We're coming towards the end of the year, and I am super grateful for those that have been following me and continue to follow us. It's really humbling a little bit. If you can do me a favor and give us a thumbs up, it really helps us with the algorithm of YouTube so we can continue to make this free content so you can continue to save money by either getting a Formuler device or finding your best device out there, because if you don't have your own streaming device, you're losing money all day long. Now, there are different types of remote controls for every media device, and Formuler is no different. There are really currently only two of the Formuler devices that carry a remote control standard. That is the new Formuler Z Mini and the Formuler GTV. That's an old school but very, very powerful box that Google started with Formuler, the manufacturer. But if you want a Bluetooth remote, it's very easy to buy your own and connect it. But lately in our support group, we've had a couple of people saying they have a little bit of issue connecting to Bluetooth. So to give you a visual, which I try to do, let's just go to the Formuler remote, and we're going to click on the GTV-BT1. Now you'll notice that this is what the remote looks like when it's in your hand. To pair the remote when we get started, the two buttons you're going to hold down while it starts blinking are the menu button, the three horizontal lines, and the OK button at the same time. You're going to hold these down until you get a connection from your remote accessories or your Bluetooth accessories as it searches for the device. Once that's there, you're just going to select, and we'll see in a minute, but it all starts with the menu button and the OK button on this remote. Now, you'll always know the differences in the remote because the BT1 has the Google Signia at the top for Google Voice. So without any further ado, let's go back to the homepage here. I'm on the Formuler Z11 Pro Max, and I'm going to go all the way to the top, push to the right, and then you're going to see where it says Bluetooth here. Go ahead and highlight this and press OK. Now remember when I said that you have to press select the OK button and the menu button at the same time. But the first thing you need to do is highlight Add Accessory here, press OK. Now it's looking for it. While it's in this mode, is where you press the menu button and the OK button at the same time. And you'll see at the top, it says Formuler GTV RCU. You're going to highlight that at the top. You're going to press OK. It's going to say pairing. It is paired to this device. You can then, it'll then tell you that it is connected, okay? And you can also check when it's connected by hitting the home button, pushing the back arrow, and then you want to go to the remote app right here. Once you choose BT1, it should tell you that it is connected right there, right? Unknown firmware, battery 100%. And then this is where you can set up your TV IR control. In other words, I have a Samsung TV. That means I can set up the control where I can control the volume, the menu, the buttons on my Samsung from this remote as well. And then if there's a firmware update, you'll have that opportunity to do that there. Now, as your batteries lose its connectivity or power, it will show you the percentage right there when you need to change your batteries. So keep that in mind. If you want to click on help, you can then get a YouTube video for the help right there from the Formuler device. You can hit the back button to go back, and that's it there. Now I'm connected. So as you can see, it's very easy to do. I just wanted to make this really quick video for you to see how easy it is and the fastest way to connect your BT remote to any Formuler device. All right. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am eternally grateful as usual. And in the next video, we're going to be looking at some different options for streaming. Since Real to Bread has taken a little hit, people have been freaking out a little bit about the on-demand options when it comes to streaming. Now, as we are on the YouTube platform, years ago, we were able to show so many different options when it came to just about anything, but YouTube kind of took that away, and for whatever reason, it's about our great community, and that's what they say. In other words, you can always find what you're looking for, maybe on this platform, but I am going to be showing you a little bit more because some people are really freaking out about what's not working and Real to Bread and all this stuff. And all you have to do lately is just learn a different way how to stream. You have some people that want the devices to play right away. Like they want their on-demand, one click. And then you have older folks like me, more experienced. It didn't used to be like that. And you should always have a backup. So what am I trying to say? I'm going to teach you in private videos, but I'm going to show you what I mean first on YouTube, but how to be prepared for stuff. You should always have a backup to what you have. If you don't, you're completely missing out on the opportunity not only to learn, but to prosper your mind, to be more powerful, to be more attractive when you're learning. Don't settle just to get comfortable. If you get comfortable, you're dying. You got to always challenge yourself. So I'll end the video by thanking everyone for tuning in. Hey, share this with someone in your family or who needs to see it, and we'll see you in the next video.